it's your girl Precious Stevens from the Posh Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick tutorial on why I love pipe cleaners. Now when you're doing your pullbacks on your backdrop, such as what I'm going to show you on this one here, you could use a pipe cleaner, you could use a 360 balloon, or you could use zip ties. Now what you probably are used to are zip ties. It's very, very common in the industry. However, I'm going to share with you a quick tip on why it's not a good idea all the time. Check it out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you guys is how you can do your gathers or your pulls simply using a 360 balloon. Now you can also do this with a 260 balloon, which is a lot shorter if you can see the difference. However, I would suggest you using a 360 because it's more durable and it's a lot more strong. So I'm going to be using a 360 and showing you just how to do that. Okay, so once you have all of your fabric to the end that you are going to secure it to your upright, you want to just take your balloon, your 360 balloon, and secure it exactly wherever you are going to tie it to. Now, although you can use this method, see, it's staying, it's there, your pleats are there, you can go in and clean them up, you can do whatever you want to do. However, you have no wiggle room to make any kind of adjustments because the balloon is so tight, it's really not giving you much space to make any kind of alternatives to your design. Next thing I'm going to show you is how a lot of you guys, I'm quite sure, use pipe clean. What are they? Next I'm going to show you, which is really commonly used in the industry, which is zip ties. You can use this, but I would highly recommend that you do not, and I'm going to show you just why. All right. Okay, so once you have all of your fabric on the opposite end, now I'm going to go in and use this. It's a small zip tie. It's probably about 12 inches in length, and it's very skinny, so it's not one of those really thick ones, but I'm going to show you just what is commonly done. Okay, so the zip tie is in, it's holding the fabric in place. However, again, you can't really do much flexibility. You can't really do much cleaning up, especially if you secure the zip tie entirely too tight. If you go all the way back to secure your fabric, the only way you're going to get this loose or you're going to get this off is by cutting it. And that's one of the main reasons why I don't like using zip ties, because you cannot reuse them. And it's like just once you use it, it's done. You got to really get rid of it. Pipe cleaners are my favorite because they're reusable. And I've had mine for about 3 years. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use a pipe cleaner, where you should get them from, and why you should be using them as well. Okay. So like I was telling you guys, in order for you to remove this zip tie, you have to cut them with snippers. Now your zip tie is nothing but trash. You cannot reuse it again, and that's it. Okay, so now we're back on the other side with the balloon. So quite naturally, if you're in the industry, I know you have had some experience with balloons, and like personally with me, I hate balloons because they make your fingers dry and they tend to pop your fingers and they get painful if you don't operate it well. So the same thing like with the zip tie, in order to get this off, you got to be like really super duper dandy with unreleasing balloons, which is a pain, or you got to cut them. So quite naturally, again, you're wasting product, you're wasting time, and it's just a better way to do it. Right. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use, why it's efficient to use, and why you should be using it as well. These are handy dandy pipe cleaners. They are very inexpensive. They are recyclable because you can undo them and continuously use them and use them and use them and use them for years to come. So let's dig into it. So once you have all of your fabric and over to the side that you want to secure it to the upright, you're just going to take your pipe cleaner. You're going to tie it around your upright at the desired length you want to measure and just give it a twist. Now you don't want to twist these entirely too tight because you can tend to make them weak, and then guess what? You won't be able to continuously reuse it. So just give it a twist or two, and you want to make sure it's loose enough so that you can manipulate your pleats. If you're trying to come out, make them more loose, maybe you got to do some alterations. So you want them loose enough in order for you to do that. And then once you're comfortable with your design, you go ahead and tighten it up. Now the thing why I love it, because when you're done, you know, normally at the end of event day or you got to break down the backdrop, you're just trying to break down and boogie, right? So if that's the case, all you do, unsnap, voila.
Thanks for watching my channel. Again, if you want to see something specific, put it in the comments so I can be sure to get it on the schedule. If you want to see more videos such as these, don't forget to like, subscribe, but turn on that notification bell so you can know when the next video is coming your way. Be blessed, guys. Stay tuned. Till next time.